Welcome to this stretch for your upper back, neck, and shoulders. This yoga practice can be done at your desk or anywhere as long as you have a sturdy chair. So we're going to get started with some breath and movement. Sitting up tall. You're going to take your elbows out like a cactus and pull them back. Lift up your chest. Breathe in deeply. Fill up your belly. Fill up your chest. And as you exhale, bring your hands to prayer position in front of your heart and drop your chin towards your chest. Do that again, please. Inhale, lift your chin, lift your chest, pull the elbows back, squeeze your shoulder blades together. And as you exhale, bring your hands together and let the chin move down towards your chest. Inhale, open it all up again. And exhale, bring it in. We'll do a few more of these with a variation. So you can open up everything the same on this cactus. But now, if you can, you start to squeeze your forearms together. They can touch, or if they don't touch, just squeeze them as close as they'll go, chin to chest. And if that's too much, you can do the prayer position again. Inhale, open up. Puff up the chest. Belly opens up with that breath. Exhale, forearms come as close together, chin towards your chest. And just one last one. Open this up. Nice and vibrant through your fingertips. Just get your shoulders moving and exhale, squeeze it all in. Lovely, yogi. Open it out and stretch your arms straight out to the side. We're going to turn your whole torso to the right. Rotate. You can even move the hips a little bit with this. Look all the way back towards the back, towards your right hand. And breathe. That's it. Going back through center. Let your left hand go up to the sky. Right hand holds your chest. Side stretch. Just finding some space in your ribs and your waist. As you come up, let your left arm go all the way out to the side and then below shoulder height. Turn your thumb down and slide it across your low back as far as it will go. Tilt your head to the right again. And breathe and stretch here. Just move around your head into places that feel a little sticky or stuck. You might want to pause somewhere. And just find another spot, another couple of breaths. And lift your head up. Stretch both arms out again. Rotate the thumbs up. Turn to the left, please. Rotate all the way around to the left. Look back towards your fingertips. One more breath in. And you can rotate back out. Let your left hand come to the chair. Right hand goes overhead. Reach high and side stretch. You've got the hold on the chair there for stability. And anchor down through the outside of your right hip. So your right bum, side of your bum is anchoring toward the chair. And you're reaching through your fingertips to create the space. And you'll come up and out nice and easy. Let your hand come well down below the shoulder height before internally rotating and sliding your hand across your back. Tilt your head to the left. Move around, stretch. We have a few breaths here, so maybe you just softly close your eyes, give them a rest also. And lift your head up. That's it, arms go back out wide. One more time. Turn to the right, rotate. A lovely twist for your back. If you'd like to hold on to the chair this time, you can do, or if you want to bring your left hand to your right knee and give a little bit of assistance there to hold it. And come back out, arms wide. Let your right hand come down to the chair, left goes up and over, side stretch. Sit heavy in your left side of your bum. Breathe into your left ribs and waist. Maybe this time you could look down. And come up. Let that left hand come down below shoulder height, internally rotate. Now, if your hand stops onto the left side of the hip, that's fine, hold it there. But if it slides all the way across, you can hook your right elbow into the left fingertips and just give it a little extra pull around there if that feels okay on your shoulder, and tilt your head over to the right. And move around. One more deep breath, please, Yogi. And you can lift your head, release your arms, last side, rotate your thumbs up, turn around to the left. And again, you can use a chair as an assist, or you can do as I did on the first side and use your right hand holding the left knee to help you look all the way back. Spiral the breath in around the spine, releasing tension, and slowly out. Good. And unravel from here. Releasing the arms out wide. Left hand goes to the chair, right palm turns up. Stretch it up over the top. Find your side stretch. And again, if you'd like, you can turn your head down towards the floor. You'll come up. Let your right arm drop down. Turn your thumb down once it's below shoulder height. And like I say, if it stays on this right side of your body, that's absolutely fine as it is. If it comes across to the other side and you want to hook your left elbow in, you can do so. And just anchor it there. Tilt your head to the left and move around. If you need to stop somewhere and take a couple of breaths, that's good. See where you're tense, it doesn't need to be, maybe in the feet or the hands, or the jaw or your eyes. And we'll come out nice and carefully, releasing everything. Wiggle your feet wide and allow a forward fold here. So feet nice and wide, hands down to the floor. And as you soften your way down there, you can just let the head be heavy. And if it feels good to be still, then hold what you got. If it feels good to move your head some, feel free to explore that. And then starting to make your way back up. Wiggle your feet in. That's it. We're going to clasp the hands behind you. Lift the chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together. And exhale, bring your hands to prayer in front of you. Another deep breath in, stretch both palms straight up to the ceiling. Reach as high as you can. Fill up your belly, fill up your chest. And exhale, bring them down. And close your eyes. One more full, energizing inhale. Pause when you're full. And exhale. Thank you for joining me. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe for more yoga videos and meditations.